You can expect a lot from the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a bedliner, and seat memory. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.